What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on Tesla ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news, with amazing fundamental news directly related to GIGA Berlin factory. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you new price targets for Tesla for the upcoming year. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So, and let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point and we had very good bounce from its lowest point, and this bounce was for more than 25% in a matter of just several sessions. Definitely it is a very good sign for Tesla because we bounced back even above this range of support, and it is $782, and it is the confluence. Let me zoom out a little bit. It is the confluence in between several levels. It is the confluence with the golden pocket pattern, and it is a Fibonacci retracement range if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top. And on top of that, it is the top of our B wave retracement on the previous price action, and definitely it is a very good support line. So, and let me show you that on a weekly time frame. If I switch to weekly time frame and clean the chart a little bit, as you can see right here, we have very good candle that has a support from the 55 exponential moving average. It broke this range but then bounced back, and it closed above this range. And next candle also opened and closed above this range, but this candle is not so bullish, I have to say, and that's why we have to be very cautious with the next potential movement. But all in all, I'm more bullish on Tesla because of its fundamental news. And let's continue with the news itself. We are on CNBC.com, and this article was published on March the 4th, and it says Tesla factory in Germany gains conditional approval to start commercial production. And the key points are: Tesla has gained conditional approval to begin commercial production at its new factory near Berlin, local German officials announced Friday. The conditional license for the vehicle and battery plants in Brandenburg was expected following months of delays. And let me quote you this information in details. Tesla had intended to start production of vehicles by early summer of 2021, but the COVID pandemic, supply chain complications and clashes with environmentalists are slowed their pace. The project was approved with a 536-page decision, includes the plan for the production of up to 500,000 vehicles per year, according to a translated release. And this is a very important part. The approval does not mean Tesla can start production right away. The license is subject to a public objection period as well as other final inspection conditions that include air pollution control and water usage, according to release. And this statement definitely shows that Tesla will launch their GIGA Berlin factory in upcoming weeks or even months, because they have to settle some more details in order to stay in line with all the rules. And let me quote you this. The German factory is extremely important to Tesla plans to expand globally following the opening of its Gigafactory 3 plant in Shanghai in late 2019. It's expected to formally open a plant in Texas soon as well. And while approval for the plant took longer than Tesla expected, local officials called the process unusual in a number of ways. That included the comparatively short time the State Office for the Environment inspected and approved not just a factory, but an entire industrial area with several large-scale plants and repeated public participation, officials said. So, it is a very complicated process to launch a new plant in Germany because of their strict rules. But for now, I think Tesla made a huge step towards its goal to launch this plant. And let me show you another very important news. We are on Seeking Alpha, and this article was published on March the 3rd, and it says Panasonic to build huge US battery plant to supply Tesla, NHK. Panasonic plans to build a multi-billion-dollar factory in the US to supply Tesla with lithium-ion batteries, Japan's NHK reports. The Japanese company is looking at sites in Oklahoma and Kansas to build the plant because of their proximity to Texas, where Tesla is preparing a new electric vehicle plant, according to the report. Panasonic, a long-time supplier for Tesla, already has unveiled plans to begin mass production a new type of lithium-ion battery for the automaker by March 2024, with 2 new production lines at its Japanese plant in Wakayama. And definitely it is the next step of this partnership, and Tesla is ramping up its production rate, and this means it will drastically improve its first position on EV market in the world. And definitely, for now, there are 0 companies that can achieve these type of results in a short period of time. And that's why I think Tesla is a leader in this industry. And a lot of institutional money shows the same. And let me show you the list of institutional investors. And right here, as you can see, green rows indicate new positions, red rows indicate closed positions with Tesla. And as you can see, the most recent filings shows that we have more new positions with the Tesla ticker, and it is a very good from the fundamental standpoint that a lot of institutional investors added their position or opened completely new position with Tesla. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let's switch to hourly time frame and let's dive deeper into this movement. Right here, we have completed all 5 wave structure, and if I switch to, for example, 15 minutes time frame, we can see this movement in details, and probably we have something like this. This might be our first wave, second, third, fourth retracement, and it is a perfect triangle in the 4th wave, and 5th wave right here. And if it is the case, we can pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom to the very top. And by the way, the Fibonacci retracement tool is situated right here on your left side menu. You can click and find Fib retracement and trend-based Fib extension. And if you mark these stars right here, they will appear on your favorite bar, and you can find it right here or right here. So, and if you pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, as you can see, we have we broke the range of 0.236 and hover exactly at this price point, and this means we might see lower price action in order to unload this structure, in order to collect more steam to hit higher targets. Definitely next level of major support will be again at $782. And it is almost the confluence with the $790 of 0.5 Fibonacci retracement range. So these levels might be your accumulation points. And what are the main targets? If I switch to daily time frame again and zoom out a little bit, we have the lowest point at this very range. Let me show it to you more thoroughly. We have this long wick. And to project the targets, I have to pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom, as you can see, from the bottom of this wave to the top of this wave and to the bottom of the retracement. And our lowest point is right here for now. And with the assumption that we have to land the 3rd wave on a greater scale, our main target is at 1.618 extension level. And it is the price point of roughly $1,800. And let me mark this range for you. But first of all, we have to break our major resistance, and it is the top of our all-time high right now, and it is the price point of $1,228. So we have 3 targets. This is the most conservative one. This is the second target. It is one-to-one extension at $1,374, and roughly $1,800 is our main target. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!